happy Thanksgiving to you, my friend. Did you have a nice one?
Had a very nice one with my daughters and my wife and their significant others, and they
yes,
all
of
joined
course.
in.
That's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
Are you feeling a little sleepy? You got that tryptophan thing going on right now?
No, I already well past that. And
okay.
Certainly, we are a solution to L-tryptophan. We keep everybody awake, or at least we try. You saw the ice on the rink. Just want to give you a little bit of caution tonight because there were some sprinkles around and some snow flurries today. And in a few places, the ground is wet and the temperatures are just above freezing. They're going to fall below freezing before too long. Already has it. Andover, for example, where it's at 24 there. And some places having some gusty winds, 36 in town. We'll take a look at that. There's a northwest wind at 7 miles an hour. But the temperature just a couple of hours ago was closer to 40. And so you start to add in a bit of a breeze, and we're looking at wind chills. 35 at Islip, West Hampton at 36. The Park now down to 36. Feels like 30 with a gusty northwest wind at 16 miles an hour. And the radar, earlier some sprinkles. There might be 1 or 2 sprinkles or snow flurries left over parts of Long Island. But other than that, it's pretty much done with. You can see them there over Riverhead, south of Mattatuck. Looks like some sprinkles. North and west, just still some clouds. But in the next few hours, those clouds will get out of the way. And we even have a little bit of lake effect again going on near and southwest of Buffalo, but nothing like what they saw, of course, last week. So late clearing as temperatures head toward 30, but in suburbia land, 25 to 32. And that's going to set us up for a pretty cold Friday, but dry. And then the weekend will start cold, but finish mild, which we will fill you in on such incredible detail that you'll be stunned. That's coming up.
Oh, I'm prepared.
She's already stunned.
I'm
coming up in
prepared
just
to be
a bit.
stunned. You eat the gold.
Really?
Yes. Well, I guess I don't think you scrape it off. You paid for it.
All right. Well,
yeah,
you know,
I know.
I guess
it's hard to wrap your mind around that.
I mean, I use wine for my gravy.
But not $2,000.
$10 bottle. Okay.
It's good enough. It's getting cooked.
Right.
You know?
Boil it down and done. All right, we're going to look back at yesterday's snowstorm because it was a big snowstorm for parts of northwest New Jersey, where some places got over a foot, and even some decent snow amounts, if you want to call them decent, made their way into parts of northeast Jersey, and of course trace amounts to maybe an inch or so as you head from Long Island or western parts of Long Island north and west. But this was a pretty solid snowfall and fairly early in the game here. 39. The high today, the low was 36 in a very tight range. And look, we're supposed to be up at 50. So we are well below normal here, 11 degrees below normal. And we've been as warm as 63 and as cold as 23 back in 2007. Teterboro is at 35 and most temperatures now in the 30s. Still some clouds left to get through, but skies are clearing out across western New Jersey fairly quickly. So the thinking here is that we will see clouds get out of the way. And just want to caution, in some places this afternoon and evening, there were flurries, there were sprinkles. The ground may be still wet as temperatures fall relatively quickly to the 32-degree mark, and that might cause a little bit of icing. So be cautious, because I know a lot of folks are out on the road doing some early Black Friday shopping. And on our satellite view, at least no major storms to contend with over this coming weekend, but we do have a shot of cold air that sets in here for tomorrow. And here's our look for the next 3. The coldest day tomorrow. Temperatures moderate a little bit on Saturday with clouds and some sun, and then more clouds around on Sunday, but the temperatures head up. We will take you beyond Sunday and let you know what we think for next week, and a lot more. That's coming up just a little bit.
I love the sound of it. Sunday and beyond.
All right. Let's set you up for Black Friday, the big shopping day, because a lot of you folks are going to be running around buying things. And then Saturday and Sunday, looks like we're okay. And the travel home, if you're visiting from somewhere and you're here in the New York metropolitan area and you're going to be driving back to your to home, wherever that is, no big storms around, so the drive home is going to be a lot easier than the commute was going out. There is some lake effect snow going on south of Buffalo tonight. That's going to continue for a little while, but it's nothing on the order of what happened last week. And that's because we have another shot of cold air that's coming in. It's already arrived here. Temperatures tomorrow not out of the 30s, probably not much higher than 20 or so in the coldest of the cold air to the north. A little disturbance goes by, high pressure builds in, weekend starts out okay, and then we have a low going by to our north that's going to start a warm-up. And because it aids in the Thanksgiving digestion, it is 100% proof of this. If you like my Facebook page, Facebook.com, meteorologist Joe Chaffee, all the latest weather. You had it for the big storm to the west. You got a lot, and there'll be storms to come. All right, 30 tonight, 25 to 32 in the suburbs, 38 tomorrow, and the suburbs maybe 1 or 2 spots to 40. 7-day forecast, warm up into Sunday, then maybe another cool down in the middle part of next week, but it won't last for more than a day or so. Heidi.
We have time for one last 7-day look.
Yeah,
before we-
and we'll give you take you a little tighter for the weekend because we've got the shopping weekend as the Christmas holiday shopping gets underway. There's for tomorrow. Pretty cold tomorrow, so you might want to bundle up just a little bit. And here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures running below normal on some days, a little bit above normal on others, but for the most part, no big storms. Facebook.com, meteorologist Joe Chaffee. Twitter, @Joe Chaffee. Please.
Write that down.